Y'all, it's working. It's definitely getting longer, friend. Is getting longer. I'm so excited. Okay, wait a minute. What's up, y'all, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, y'all, I just got done taking my Flexi Rods out, and I want to put the RevAir to the test. I want to see if the RevAir will help stretch my Flexi Rod curls. So I don't know where I got this crazy idea from to try to stretch my Flexi Rod set. They are tight, they are springy, they are brand new, and we're gonna see if we can stretch the Flexi Rod set without losing the curl pattern. That is the goal. I don't want to stretch it too much to where it becomes straight. I just want to stretch it a little bit, so I'm gonna have to adjust the settings on my RevAir to make sure we're not losing the curl, we're just elongating it. So let me go ahead and set up shop back here, y'all. If you've never seen the RevAir, I got one for you. There we go. Here's the RevAir right here, y'all. This is the new and approved one. I didn't have the original. I just have the new one, which is great because it's smaller, it's more compact, it dries quicker, it works better, it's digital, it's up to date, it's modern. I love it. So what I'm gonna do, I have it all plugged in and ready to go. The RevAir has a suction that goes from 1 to 7, so just depending on how much suction you want in your hair, you just have to adjust the suction level. Normally I put the suction on 7 when I'm doing my blowouts, but I'm not going to have it that high because again, we don't want to lose the curl, we just want to elongate it. And also there's a heat flow setting as well. You can either have it off on high or low, so we're going to have it off. For this case, we're just going to keep the heat right in the middle, and the middle is considered off. We don't want any heat, and we're going to have it on a very low suction setting. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take some clips, and we're going to start to clip my hair up and out the way because I want to work in sections for this next part. I'm nervous, y'all. If I'm going to ruin my damn hair, we about to find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by, I have so much curls I don't even know where to start. We're going to just put these all up and out the way. That's where we're going to start. All right, they're out the way a little bit. Now we have all these beautiful curls over here. All I'm going to do is just take a nice sized chunk right in the back. We're going to start with that and see what happens. And I don't want to ruin my curls, I just want to elongate them. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. You won't be able to hear me once I turn on my RevAir. I'm just going to put my hair right through this little suction entrance right here. My hair is going to slide down, and hopefully we can get some curls elongated. So we're going to do this side first, and then we'll compare it to these curls over here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with my crazy ideas. All right, y'all. Okay, so I do think it elongated it just a little bit. I didn't want to keep doing it, but it looks like it's working. I turned it up to 4. I started on 3, turned it up to 4. I also didn't have it on any heat, but then I turned the heat on low because I felt like it wasn't doing nothing. So I do feel like it definitely elongated the curls a little bit, so let's just keep going. All right, so we're gonna take down the next section, working in relatively small sections. Just grab that next chunk of hair. I think that's good right there. It's actually a lot, but it's all right, we'll make it work. Okay, so here's the next chunk of curls, just to kind of compare. So yeah, these do look a lot looser, but like not like crazy amount. So let's see what we could do. Okay, friends, so I think it is working. It's not elongating it as much as I would have wanted it to, but I literally keep turning it up. I turn the heat on, like it ain't doing too much of a difference to me, but maybe once we take the other side down, the original side, and kind of test it from side to side to see if it's actually working. It looks elongated, but it doesn't look like how, I don't know, I wanted them longer than this. Like I wanted it down here, but it won't go. The girl said, no, Fro, we ain't moving. So I'm just like separating, and we're just gonna keep moving along. It definitely is working, but it's not like too much of a difference. Here's the next little set of curls, and I'm just gonna clip everything that we're not working with up and out the way. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so maybe I left that one in too long because it definitely elongated that one. Maybe I was not paying attention to the time that section was in there, but it gave me a little bit more of what I wanted. So it's not as much volume now. I don't want to suck the curl away. I just want it to get a little longer, that's all. Okay, it's definitely working, y'all. It's stretching it. It is definitely stretching it for sure. I know you guys probably can't really see too much of a difference, but just trust me, it's working. All right, so here's the next section. Alright, so I think I found this secret. You just have to turn the heat on low and have the suction on like 5. The highest that you can go is 7. Mine is on 5 and it's actually working. The curls keep getting like twisted around each other, so I do have to go back and keep separating, but it's not a problem. Y'all, it's working. It's definitely getting longer, friend. Is getting longer. I'm so excited. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. Alright, so we are up at the top. Hold on, so you guys can even see like how short this is compared to the rest of my hair. We still have this chunk left to go, and I think we can fit it all in there for just stretching the curls. I think we can fit all this in there. Alright, let's go for it, y'all. Alright, you guys want to see a side-by-side comparison? So let me take this clip down because it's been holding up the curls. Look at the difference! It's stretched. This side, you could tell that the curls are going up. There's a lot more volume. There's a lot more shine. There's a lot more definition. Now I'm like, wait a minute, why did I do this? I just wanted to try it. I didn't know if it was gonna like work or not, so I wanted to do an experiment, and you can see that it definitely worked. This side's flatter, it's longer, the curls are still there, it has less shine to it. I feel like the RevAir sucked all the shine out my hair, but that's okay. But yeah, I actually like this side better. I don't know why. The curls are just a little bit longer, and I don't know. This side looks, actually, I like both sides. You tell me, what side do you guys like better? Do you like the longer side with the RevAir, or do you like the original way of the Flexi Rods? I just felt like they were kind of scrunched together, and I didn't want to use a pick to pick it out because that would just gain more volume. I wanted to like elongate the curls. I was like, let me go ahead and grab my RevAir. If you guys want to snag the RevAir, I'll have it linked below with my discount code, so you can get it at a discounted rate. I got you, friend. And yeah, y'all, I just wanted to see if it was gonna work, so let me go ahead and quickly do the other side and make sure that these look even. So I'll be right back. Hey y'all, all right, so I just finished using the RevAir on this side, and y'all, it definitely did work. I must say that the RevAir will help stretch your curls, and you will still have curly defined hair. You'll still have the definition. You'll still even have some volume, and I think that this is a really cool way if you want to just stretch your curls just how I did. They were a little bit shrunken up for me. I used the RevAir, and now we are fine, y'all. The RevAir is definitely a tool that you want to have in your hair stash, so make sure you check out the links below if you want to get yours today. I'll have a discount code just for you guys. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. This was just a short video to show you guys if the RevAir was actually going to work, if my experiment was actually going to work. I just like experimenting. I don't mind like messing them up because I know I can get them right back if I do it again, so it's okay. If you guys like to see experimental hairstyles and different things like that, then definitely stick around and follow me, because that's what I like to do on my page. I do not mind experimenting with my curls, so you don't have to experiment with yours. Just watch me work. All right guys, without further ado, I am gonna let you guys go. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.